Collaboration in research enables us to identify areas of clinical need, develop the best strategies to meet that need, and to bring together the knowledge and expertise to deliver the most effective solution in the least amount of time. When we use 3D printing to address medical challenges, the development of a collaborative team that brings together a number of diverse skills is essential. Our collaborative project with Payal's team, based at the Royal Prince Alfred Hospital in Sydney, involves the use of 3D printing to create prosthetic ears to treat patients with Microtia.
Microtia is a congenital deformity affecting the look and the function of the ear. We started out using 3D printing to create cartilage to replace the defective ear. However, in the process, we realized that there are other patients who may need a much more simpler option, such as a prosthetic ear. We are working on that 3D printed prosthetic ear now in parallel to the 3D bioprinted ear. Different countries around the world have a different disease profile, such as in India, Microtia is more common than in Australia. While we started solving the problems for our patients, we realized that we really need to understand the global challenges if we were to maximize the impact of our innovations. We are so glad we did, because it has taught us many things, such as how much of an issue distance plays in accessing treatment to healthcare. And we're building in those strategies now to overcome that, so we can maximize the impact in the minimal amount of time. For instance, we realized that whilst in our labs and our clinics we have access to the best ways to acquire data, such as using state-of-the-art CT scanners and 3D scanners, this is not appropriate for a patient who's on the other side of the globe or even in a country town in Australia. So we are now pushing the boundaries to use cheaper and more accessible technologies so we can do as much of the work remotely as possible. So we're now using smartphone app-enabled 3D scanners so patients can acquire data of their own ears and work with us over the internet to send that data across to us. And that means we can access a much wider group of patients.
Effective collaboration not only brings together the skills to create innovative solutions, it also ensures the most effective deployment of those solutions in the places of greatest need. We will work closely with our collaborators in India to refine our 3D printing ear protocol, to ensure ease of use, and to promote widespread deployment of the technologies we develop together. The project opportunity is based on fundamental studies carried out in the ARC Centre of Excellence for Electromaterial Science. This project draws on the facilities and expertise available in TRICEP, an AMP-supported initiative dedicated to translational activities in the area of 3D bioprinting. Our 3D printed ears project is a great example of collaboration ensuring technical progress and maximising social impact.